Hey everyone, so let's check out how easy it is to onboard your event participants and to share your eventbaxx with your participants. So on the menu bar, you just click in the share section. We already onboarded some potential participants for the demo, so just that you get a look and feel how this could look like. So in the first step, there are multiple options how you can onboard your participants. So by clicking import participants, first of all, you can onboard a participant manually, which is obviously not that cool for larger events, but for smaller events you can do that, just to mention that. The most common way is to upload a CSV list, for example. By clicking here, we also provide you with some example files, how this should look like, but it's pretty easy. So the unique entrance point is just the email address, but if you want to make it more personalized, so you should definitely enter first name, last name, or you can even add more information to have a nice personal experience. So yeah, you just choose a file, you upload. I don't have to do this now here because you can probably explore it by yourself. So let's imagine you have onboarded your 500 participants. So they will be listed here. You have a search functionality, you have a filter functionality, and you can even download the participant list afterwards. So the participants are onboarded that way, that you can see the email address, the name, the status, the source, so list, manually, Facebook, because there are some more options. Did you already reach this participant? You can always edit participants or delete them if it's really necessary, and you can check their URL if you are an admin. So let's imagine you have onboarded all your participants in eventbaxx. The next step, if you want to reach them proactively, is to set up your email template. So you can easily create a new email template. So it looks like this. So you can choose and customize like almost everything. So you can choose from a personal salutation, for example, choosing from our recommendations, first name. This is your eventbaxx. You always see the progress here in real time on the right side. A fallback salutation. As for example, welcome to your eventbaxx. You enter your email text, which you can see here. You customize your button text. You can even style this a little bit in your CI colors. You can enter a footer image, for example, the email sender, the subject, reply to, even the language. It's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. So let's imagine you have created this email template. So what is the next step? So you can easily, if we scroll back and are using already existing templates, so you can prepare them to send out. So if everything is fine, yeah, the boxes are ticked here. You can name the schedule. You can set up a sending time, send now, or schedule it later, for example. So you can even do this if it's necessary. The sending conditions, so do you want to reach all participants, especially if you have multiple sendouts? You can do some target group segmentations only to the ones recently added, to someone who has not opened the email yet, or to someone who has opened the email but not clicked through to come into the eventbaxx queue now. So this is pretty cool to also avoid spamming. So you can do this here. And then by sending email template now, all your 500 participants receive a personal inbox message, which could look like this. And if they click on this button, explore your eventbaxx, which you can obviously label, they will come immediately without download, register, or log in into their personal eventbaxx experience. Another cool functionality, you can create through our system a so-called landing page, which you can share in your already existing channels, such as website, newsletters, social media channels, or even at the event itself with QR codes and so on. So let's create a new landing page quickly. So you can give this a name, for example, eventname.eventbaxx.com. You can choose from a template. Let's go with the exhibition template. You have to connect your success message. So once someone onboarded themselves over the landing page with your email template, you need a headline. For example, welcome to your eventbaxx. Let's enter this here. A sub-headline, you will find amazing vouchers. Just giving you an example. The email placeholder, enter your email address, a button text, yeah, get your eventbaxx now, for example. You can even allow Facebook login if you want to, and then you can easily create this landing page. So let's imagine we have created this event, landing page. So the name would be event name, so your eventname.eventbaxx.com. Of course, you can customize and style this if it's wished. And then you can share this landing page in your already existing channels, and then interested participants can onboard themselves by leaving an email address, for example, and they can get their eventbaxx now. So it's the same procedure. They receive this inbox message with a clear call to action. By clicking this call to action, they will immediately come without download, register, or log in into the eventbaxx view. What is pretty cool here, if we switch back into the participants view, you can see these people coming from externally. So because we just onboarded this email address, you see the source is not the list, it's the landing page. And then you can also filter, just show me the people, they have been onboarded from externally. And then you can also download this participants list and use it for your own newsletter or marketing activities if you have the permission. So you can even enrich your data pool. You can delete all participants if it's necessary, because I forgot to mention that. So most of our customers, they combine both. So they do a proactive send out, so to the already existing attendees, but they also use the landing page and share these in their social environment to enrich their data pool. So I can recommend to you to also use both, but of course it's up to you. Another third thing I just want to show you quickly, we also provide an API which you can integrate or which could be integrated into your technology ticketing platform, into your registration platform, which makes it even easier to onboard participants. So we can play, or we can do such things as each time there is a ticket purchase or someone registers for your event, eventbaxx gets sent out automatically and onboarded in eventbaxx at the same time. Just to mention that, it's more tech driven, so probably forward it to one of your developers. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And yes, so these are the ways how you can onboard your participants, you can share your eventbaxx, manage your share section. I hope I could help you a bit and assist you. And of course, feel free to test it by yourself because you have free access. And if you have any questions, reach out and hopefully speak soon. Bye.